Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to verify your phone number on Fiverr. So let's get in. On the top right hand side, you will see your profile picture just next to orders, and you want to tap on that. Once you're in here, you want to jump down and look for settings, and it'll open up all of your settings. Now on the left hand side, you will see account security, notifications, and business information. Now all of these options over here, you can go and look for security, and once you're in security, you can just scroll down slightly and look for phone verification. Here it says your phone is not verified with Fiverr. Click verify now to complete phone verification. Once you click here, you're going to enter the country that you're operating from. You're also going to now enter in your phone number, and you have two options. You can either verify by SMS, which means you'll get a 6-digit code via SMS, or verify by call, which means that you will get a phone call and they will read out the number to you. Now, once you've done this, your phone number will be verified. Make sure that you have access to this phone number and that your country code is correct. If this video was helpful, go ahead, drop us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.